Saving money, tip 1. Hi, I'm Future. This is my first time to do a YouTube video, but I wanted to share with you a tip how to save money doing your own nails. I had gel nail polish. I did it myself, but as you can see, it needs to be redone. But I don't know if you can see it right. I'm going to show you how to fix this without doing everything else. I did file my nails. I'm ready to start putting the nail polish. First of all, let me show you what I'm working with. It saves money to use the gel nail polish kit. This one, Gelish. It's really good. I really like to use it. That's my #1 product. I do it myself and saves me money. All right, the whole kit. I think when I bought it, it was like $100, $130. That's the kit right there. Can focus good. It's a complete starter kit. Gelish sock off gel mini. As you can see right there. I don't know if you can see it right. Anyway, let me go ahead and start showing you the products. I'm gonna start with the pH bond. Right there, pH bond. Apply that. Then the next step, I'll use foundation. And the next step, I'm gonna use this. It's called GAOY number 1065. I found this on Amazon. 1065. And it comes in this kit. I really love this stuff. I hope you can see it good. Then after that, I'll apply the top it off. This one. This stuff lasts a long time. I had this probably now more than 4 years. I've been using it. And I only paid, I think it was $130 from Sally Beauty. Look at all that. All right. First of all, I'm just gonna do 2 nails for you guys. So you can see, how rough it is. It's peeling off, but I'm going to apply the nail polish right on that. Okay, let me start now. All right. First of all, I'm gonna use this pH bond me. Okay, I'm gonna start with these 2 fingers. Just put the bond. You know what? I learned this when I was in college. Actually, after college, I was tutoring accounting at this community college, and I would get half off at the where they did the hair and nails at the cosmetology. And I would watch them doing my nails, watch them doing every step. And I paid attention and I learned from that. And from now onwards, I do my own nails. And it's good to get pampered once in a while, to go to a salon or something. But it's always good when you know you can do it yourself, girl. All right. I don't want this video to be too long because I don't know how to edit yet. Your girl is still learning. All right. So I'm done applying the pH bond. Okay, my next step now, I'm going to use the foundation. Let me show you how I do these two nails. Okay. Make sure you see what I'm doing here. All right. I'm just gonna, hopefully you can see, it's hard to do it. And make sure I've got the camera good. Don't judge me. It's hard to do it and try to film. I normally do it good. Actually, I'm just gonna do the whole hand here. Makes it easier when I'm drying because I wanna do the rest of my nails. Try to be fast. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this, but that's my first time doing this and trying to film at the same time. I don't know if you can see good. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying. One day I'll be a pro. Okay. So we're done with this. That was the foundation right there. Hopefully the camera can focus. So the next step now, I'm going to dry my nails here. Let me turn this gelish. Okay, there it's on. I'm putting my nails in there. Dry this part. What normally takes about, I think it's 30 seconds. Or it could be more, who knows. But it's easy. Just push the button on and the light comes on. And there you go. You start making your nails look beautiful. All right. Hopefully this can get done soon. I've got the fire going. It's a little bit chilly today, but it was beautiful in the afternoon. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna put my thumb in there, my thumbnail, so it cures. This is the LED light, the Gelish. Now it's so beautiful when it's quiet like this. The kids are in bed, and just take time to pamper myself. I'm sure it's good when somebody's doing it for you, but you can save a coin. Oh my. All right, still drying, but it's easy. You go to the store, you buy yourself stuff, especially nowadays. You can just order it on Amazon, like this kit again. I like it. It's really good. Okay, my next step now is to apply this GAOY. I don't know if that's how you spell it. Don't laugh at me. I'm trying. That's number 1065. It really stays long. I really like it. Okay, I like to shake it. I forgot to mention that. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. All right. It's really beautiful. I did my nails right, I think it was on the 6th of February. So tomorrow it's church. I'm doing my nails. Make them look pretty. Sorry, I wasn't focusing on camera. Try not to make a mess. Like I said, this is my first time to do my nails on camera. But it's easy. Once you get a hold of it, it's not much. Okay. It's good to pay attention, guys, when you're out there getting your nails done, even your hair, to learn how to do it yourself. It's so good. If you're somewhere where you don't have somebody to do your nails or your hair, you can always do it yourself. Okay. If I have any excess, I take this, I don't know what you call it, but it was in the kit, the Gelish starter kit, and I've seen the girls doing it at the cosmetology. Just go and kind of take it off. I've got a little paper towel here. So there it is. I'm going to dry this. Okay, there again. Hopefully you can see it good right there. It's a beautiful day. I'm enjoying my flowers. My husband got that for me for Valentine. They're beautiful. It's a beautiful night. Yep, yep, yep. I just like to do this. You know, I don't have to worry about doing any chores around the house or gardening because my nails are gonna be, I have to go back to get my nails done now. I can do my gardening nicely, do my chores nicely, and know that I'm gonna fix it myself. I'm gonna do my nails. And so sometimes I don't feel like doing it because it's a lot of work. But when I want to do it, I feel the energy to do it. I feel good. It's good. This video might be too long, but bear with me. I don't know how to edit, but let's do this. As you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick right there. Here's my nail. Okay, so the next step here, I'm gonna use the top it off. I like to shake it. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I like to do that. You girls out there that are professionals, give me some points how to do it right. I'm just trying to follow what I remember the girls doing at the cosmetology. When I used to go, taking advantage of half off price, because I worked at the community college there, tutoring accounting. I'm hoping I won't have to wake my baby up so I can finish my nails. Okay. Can't see good. Again, like I said, my name is Future. And this is my first video on YouTube. I'm just trying. Gotta try, gotta start somewhere. Okay. Hopefully the camera is picking that. Hopefully it comes out good. But it's those things you can do. You don't feel like doing too much. Sometimes I'll take off, when it's peeling like that. I will do what I need to do to redo everything. But today it's not that day. I just feel like redoing it. I've done it before and it came out really nice. I'm hoping that today will be the same story. I like music. Anything music, I like it. You know, there's nothing like pampering yourself, enjoying music. And have a fire going. Okay, and don't want to forget what I'm doing. Here's my nail. You can see when the light is on. I'm sure a lot of you have done it before. You know exactly what to do. All right. So I did finish with the top it off right there. So the next thing I do, I just use the paper towel. This is from Costco. The Kirkland paper towel. I like them. Very nice and strong. And I use the alcohol to clean it up, take the stickiness off of it, and it works for me. Today it's a little bit hard because I'm doing it and trying to film. So you just go kind of clean it up. And I like to use this oil, so you can see right there. Don't they look better? Because they're not perfect. I'm not good at focusing the camera on there, as you can see. So I do like to use the Nourish oil. Smells good, and it just helps your cuticles. So I just get it and I apply it around my nail like that. If it goes on your nail, it's fine. It won't hurt anything. Just trying to take away the dryness. Okay. All right. I'm rubbing this oil and we can see the results. See, comparing with the other thing, I haven't done it yet, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell good. This one was still okay. But on this swing, it's already off, as you can tell. Comparing these two nails. That. See. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you've learned to save a coin. I mean, it might be $25 you're saving, but it's good. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Okay, there it is. Sometimes you do things because you just love to do it. Not because of the money sometimes. But it's good to learn. You know, next time you go, pay attention and see what the beautician is doing. Whatever you call the nail person. See how they're doing it. And go get your own Gelish soak off gel polish. It's good. Not sponsored by anybody. Just love this stuff. It works. All right. Again, my name is Future. Put some comments below if you have any question of the products I use, because I know my video ain't so good. But if you have any question, let me know. All right. Thank you. Bye.